Hey guys, coming with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if apps are crashing. This is the simple fix to fix any of that issue where if you try to open up an app, maybe it crashes, or maybe you're using the app and it crashes on you constantly. It could be one app or multiple apps. You want to follow these steps. So let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is pull down the control menu here, put your phone on airplane mode, and turn it back off. And it does a quick network refresh of your cellular data and your Wi-Fi connectivity, so that if it's a issue with connected to the internet, because most apps require internet connection, it will fix it for you. Now after you have done that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is, if your phone is under 20%, go ahead and charge it up to at least 20%. The reason why that is, some apps require a lot more power than others, and it might crash on you if it doesn't have enough power to be able to run correctly, especially with some of the heavier gaming apps. Now along with that, the next thing you want to do is push up right that and check out what apps are open. So if you have a specific app that's causing any issues, you want to force quit it and relaunch it. So in this case, I'll go ahead and close out, for example, Instagram, and then relaunch it. And after you do that, hopefully it's working for you. And you want to do that for all apps that are having that issue. And you can close out all the apps if you like as well by just swiping up all of them and reopening it. Now, after you have done that, it's time to check if there's an update for the app itself. In order to do that, you go to the App Store on your iPhone, and then you search up the app that's having the issue, right? You can search it up, or you can go to your profile up top here, and then you can see all the apps that have updates available for them to update. So let's say you have an app maybe that you want to update, maybe Messenger, for example, have giving you issues. You can click on that update button, let that update. Make sure again you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, as you'll need internet connection to update any app. And most apps will take about maybe 30 seconds to a minute to update, but again, important to update it. Now if you're having issues with lots of apps, you can just click on the update all button here. That will update all of the apps that you have on your iPhone. Now once it has updated, go back to your iPhone and check out that it is working as intended. As you can see, that blue dot here indicates apps that have been recently updated or has a new update that has gone through. Now after you update it and let's say it's still crashing on you, it's time to go ahead and force restart your iPhone. So in order to do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, one after another quickly, and then hold that side button until the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo up here, you'll let go of that button. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold the side button just like that. Remember this sequence, if for some reason Siri activates, that means you didn't press volume up and down quick enough. So make sure you press volume up followed by volume down quick, and then you just keep on holding that side button. As you can see on my finger here, the screen went completely black and then Apple logo appears. I let go of that button, and that has shut down the phone completely, and then it's reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting your iPhone apps where it keeps on crashing, it will fix it for you. Now after you have done that and you're finding that you're still having issues where apps are still crashing, you need to delete the app and reinstall it. Now this is going to be the case for either individual app or multiple apps, but basically in order to delete an app, for example, you press and hold just like that, click on remove app and then delete app, and then click on delete. And now when you delete an app, it's not going to delete your account on the app. So your account on the app, it'll be fine. All it's doing is just deleting the app copy on your iPhone. Then you can go back to the App Store and search up that specific app that you want to reinstall or that you have deleted. For example, in my case, TikTok. So I'll click on install or get and then click on install. And it might ask you for your Apple ID password, or it might ask you to double click here to verify your Face ID to start the installation again. And it's reinstalling the app for me. And once you're back on the phone, on your iPhone, once it's been installed, you can go to your home screen, or if you don't see it on your home screen, it might be in your app library, which you can add, press on hold, and then there should be an option to add to home screen. So once it's been installed again, it should be working for you. Now if it's still not working, the next area to check out in your iPhone setting is going into your iPhone setting, go to general, go under iPhone storage. Now it's important when it comes to most issues on your iPhone is that you have at least some storage available. As you can see here, I'm using 128 gig phone here. I have 104 gig available at least. Now if you're using up all of the gig and if this is zeroed out, that means you're going to have all sorts of issues. So what you can do is to free up some space, delete maybe longer format videos, any apps, any documents or things that you don't need that you can safely delete, so that you can have some storage available, at least a couple gigs, so that apps that require initial, when they launch initial storage, there will be fine. Now, after you have done that and you're still having issues, the next thing to do is go into your setting of your iPhone. Now go to general software update and see if the iPhone itself has an update. Maybe there's an update that recently happened that's causing apps to crash or keep on crashing because of the incompatibility between the version. Go ahead and update your phone as well, like you updated your app. Give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes to update it successfully, and make sure your phone is at least 50% or more charged when you are doing an update for the update to happen. Now, after you updated your phone and you're still having issues, the very last thing you can do is in your setting of your iPhone, go to general, go all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone, click on that, click on reset. And the reset you want to do is reset all settings. Now, when you do a reset of all settings, it resets settings like any network settings. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, you need to reconnect again. Any Bluetooth connected devices, you have to reconnect again. Any custom keyboard dictionary that you have added, any custom home screen layout, you'll have to again reset that. And then anything around location privacy settings. Now, resetting all settings will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe on your phone. It's just the settings themselves, and it's something that you'll need to do if you're finding apps or crashing on you constantly and it's not being fixed. So that's it for all the tips we have in order to fix apps crashing on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks for your iPhone and iOS devices. See you guys next time.